WHO reports that a humanitarian team calls Gaza's Al-Shifa hospital a death zone. In what was called a death zone, a humanitarian assessment team that visited Al-Shifa hospital in northern Gaza observed evidence of shooting and shelling. According to the World Health Organization, WHO on Sunday, Nov. 19, concerns about security prevented the WHO-led team, which consisted of public health specialists, logistical officers, and security personnel from other UN ministries, from spending more than an hour inside the hospital on Saturday, the organization said in a statement. The team called the hospital a death zone and stated that the situation was desperate, with clean water, fuel, medicine, and other necessities virtually non-existent, and the hospital essentially incapable of operating as a medical facility. There were clear indications of gunfire and bombardment. According to the WHO statement, the team noticed a mass grave near the hospital's entrance and was informed that more than 80 victims were interred there. Patients and medical staff expressed fear for their health and safety as medical and solid waste littered the hospital grounds and hallways, according to the report. According to WHO, 291 patients, including 32 infants in critical condition, and 25 medical personnel were still present in Al-Shifa. WHO and partners are urgently developing plans for the immediate evacuation of the remaining patients, staff, and their families, it read. Over the next 24 to 72 hours, pending guarantees of safe passage by parties to the conflict. Additional missions are being arranged to urgently transport patients to additional hospitals in the south of Gaza. Regarding the visit and the WHO statement, the Israeli military refrained from commenting right away, after the Israeli Defense Forces issued evacuation orders on Saturday. The remaining 2,500 internally displaced people who had sought refuge on Al-Shifa grounds had left, according to the WHO. During their offensive across northern Gaza last week, Israeli forces captured Al-Shifa, claiming it housed an underground Hamas command center. The armed forces claimed to have discovered proof of an underground Hamas base. Israeli officials claim that no such evidence exists. The WHO said that although the visit was planned in conjunction with the Israeli military to minimize risks, it took place in an area of ongoing conflict with intense fighting near the hospital. WHO stated that there were fewer options for medical care in the small coastal enclave, and reiterated its call for an immediate ceasefire and ongoing humanitarian assistance.